What's up, guys? It's Eric here. Just wanted to kind of touch on where we're at with this trade for DWAC. This after hours, this thing has been going crazy still. I just wanted to kind of recap here, pretty much how this trade went. Um, I mean, it was pretty self-explanatory, honestly. I'm still in it right now, actually, uh, if you're wondering. Um, my average price there, 1808. Right now, I'm at 53,000. Had a total of 1,000 shares. And it's still climbing. I'm gonna let this thing ride for a while. Funny story. I was trying to get done with it by the end of the day and close it out, but when I had placed the order, I accidentally placed it as a market order, and it was, trying to be executed at 4:01 Eastern time, which is 1:01 my time. Which, if you don't know, after hours orders are only limit orders; they're not market orders. So basically, my order was sitting there. I'm thinking it's still pending, or I'm thinking that it's closing out, but it never did. So I was still in the trade after hours, and here is where we at after hours. This thing is still going, and I'm still in it. So yeah, I don't know. I think I might even swing this honestly. The way things are looking after hours, if it, excuse me, if it hits 75, I might call it a day. But yeah, I've been in this thing. This is probably the longest trade I've ever taken. This thing has been all day. Sorry if my my voice sounds funny. My throat's a little raspy. I think I'm coming down with something. Unfortunately, getting a little sick, but hopefully, muscle through it. Um, not bad, not a bad trade today. I got in and out of this trade twice. Got in at like 14 and then took some profit, excuse me, a little bit after that. Then I got it again. I got in again around this time, around $18, and just rolled this thing up for the rest of the day because there was never a reason to get out. It was times to find good entries, but it wasn't no reason to get out. Level two looked consistently good throughout the day. Every now and then there was some fake walls showing up, but you would see those would get eaten through pretty quickly, especially in a lot of pullbacks. Overall, this thing stayed well above the evaluated average price, and just bounced off the EMA all day. So this was a pretty easy trade. I'll probably do a more in-depth review on this one, but I just wanted to kind of show you guys. I mean, this was literally the first alert that came through all day. I'm not saying that you should trade the first alert every single time, but I'm telling you that you had ample time to measure risk to reward, take profit, all that good stuff. Look at this. DWAC proposed a merger with Trump Media and Technology Group. Come on now. Trump Media, you guys know Trump is going to make some noise in the market. It's going to move. It's just how it is. Um, last time it happened with a tweet, it caused the market to go crazy on, I think it was Workhorse, Michael had said. But yeah, I mean, it happens. So even though the whole market was down today, we all was profiting with DWAC. Not just us, plenty of other traders around the world. I'm not saying, anything special, but I'm just letting you know the power of being able to know this stuff beforehand, getting alerts like this, knowing that you could pull the stock up and look at it instead of having to search through all this stuff or wait until you get an alert from other places saying that, oh, this stock is now up, 100%. Um, you knew beforehand and you're within that 100%. See, right now I'm at like a what, 275% gain. See that? This is real time. This is live. I'm telling you guys, this money's here, you know, and the alerts will help you get it. Let me refresh it here so you can kind of see. It's just a lot of lag when I'm recording. Sorry. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I mean, good float. It's a relatively new stock, but yeah, we had other good plays as well too. But this one just kind of took the cake all day. I'll do some more in-depth analysis on it if you guys need to, but I mean, it continuously showed another leg up, another leg up, another leg up, another leg up. And in fact, this will be a perfect time for me to kind of show you what I mean, what I'm looking for in my trades, especially on pullbacks. I want to see what the support level is. This consistently showed support level day after, minute after minute today. Boom, support level. 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 Still long support level. And this is after hours. Still held after hours. Now when the stock has run up a lot during the day, usually after hours is gonna, follow sentiment towards the feeling of that stock. Usually. You still want to do technical analysis to see if it breaks anything, and if it doesn't, let it ride. And this is pretty much what we've been doing all day, all of us, letting it ride. So hopefully you did too, but just want to kind of give you guys an update on that. Um, that's where I'm at right now. Uh, so hopefully we're all out here staying green, um, and making a killing. 52 grand is not bad. So I'm gonna let this ride a little bit. I'm not gonna keep you guys, you know, stuck on this trade here for a long time. I know you got things to do. I just wanted to make this quick. You know, shout out to, everyone in the chat room. I mean, it was great day in the chat room. So, you know, if you look, I mean, we all had good conversations about it. Um, I even called it out earlier today. I said this thing might be an all-day runner. So hopefully some of you guys paid attention to that. And little did I know it was. So yeah, so this is just pretty much, congrats to Michael, man. You know, 350,000, man. That's a good day for you, man. So congrats on that. Probably paid off a mortgage or something like that with, with that one alert. Um, so yeah, so hopefully you guys, made some good money. I know Brian did, pretty good too. Something about paying off his school. That was, kudos to you, man, for that. Um, but yeah, that's just what these alerts do for you guys. Like I said, I mean, even if these alerts don't work for you, or if it's not helping you, let me know, guys. I'll gladly have them refund your money. Um, and I'll try to refer you to some other tools that might help you if it's not, for you here. But hopefully it is. But if not, hey, good resource. But anyways, just wanted to run over that with you guys. We'll go into more detailed analysis on this one here later on. But I just want to kind of touch bases with you where I'm at with this trade. So until then, guys, stay green.